regime. The 1800s, of course, would be the era of revolution in Western Europe, 1848, of course, the crucial year. But all of a sudden, the idea of getting a lot of the masses in one place at one time, all of a sudden sounding very counterproductive. A.C. Cottrell says that it was the authorities that imposed emotional restraint on the crowds by taking away their public execution because it wasn't serving the needs of the state. And you have some German sources that talk about the execution itself, and I think I'm quoting here, but from memory, brutalizing the spectators. So you can't argue that they're enjoying what they're seeing, but you're arguing that it's the exposure to these kinds of spectacles that are making you enjoy it, right? You become callous, used to it, numb. And there is a ton of class animosity in the sources where the masses who go to these executions are portrayed, increasingly as lower and lower class, more and more brutal, and, for example, the Prussian nobility just is completely disconnected from the German sense. They sneer at the masses and think of them as bloodthirsty and low in terms of culture. By the middle 1800s, most of these major states were public executions, or changing them in ways to make the crowds very small. For example, they will still execute people publicly in Paris until the 1930s, but they'll do it in a way that minimizes crowd size. These public spectacles will go from being encouraged and staged to being discouraged, deterred, and eventually simply taken away from the public. The best quick rundown to describe the process that we did in this whole particular section of this conversation, this case study, if you will, from the early modern era, is Why Not? Richard J. Evans' Rituals of Retribution, where he says about the ending of public executions, and he goes down the list of what year they happened in all these different states. 1855, this state did it, 1846, this state did it, and then he says at the end of public executions in Germany, quote, "The predominant immediate motive for this change was official fear of the mob. Public executions attracted huge crowds, and the emotions which they were thought to arouse were now considered dangerously unpredictable." And Evans then says that what had happened was you had this religious ritual that the state eventually took the religion out of, destabilizing the whole thing and basically leaving nothing left but for people to enjoy it for curiosity reasons, or sadistic reasons, or fill-in-the-blank reasons. He writes, quote, "Decades of official attempts to secularize the execution ritual, remove it from the arena of popular culture,